So this is my new Stirling engine. I poured some hot water in that cup and it's been running for 10 minutes just on the heat from the hot water, which now it's not really that hot. I should get my temp sensor and see what the actual temperature is, but it's working. It's been running for 10 minutes just off the heat of the water. It's amazing. The wife hates it, which means it's fairly cool. It just operates off the differential in temperature between the heat that's coming out of here and the cool air that it sucks in. And the pressure difference is enough to move the large diaphragm. So I got this from China, and it was roughly $20. And then with shipping and all, I think it came to $29. But it's a cool little piece. Supposedly it'll work if you really straighten it out. You can see that it's a little wobbly. It's not 100% straight. But supposedly if it's perfect, you can run it off the heat of your hand just by holding it. You can put it on your computer, and just the heat from your computer will have it continue to run all day.
There are industry experienced chefs can prepare you for working in the culinary industry. It's a commitment to providing the right skills and techniques so you can become a professional cook. Look for Outdoor. Start preparing for one of the 1.3 million jobs at all levels expected over the next decade. Start today. Call now for your free career guide. 877-840-CHEF.
So that's it. That's my Stirling engine.